Andale, andale. There he is. After his operation, looks just like a real boy.
All the time.
A good friend of mine, Chris, came down from Atlanta to help with a few last-minute boat repairs since the boat had been sitting for so long. Big shout out to Mathias for taking care of the boat while I was gone. Thanks, buddy. We all got to hang out for a little while, have some drinks, walk around downtown, see the street art. Downtown has changed quite a bit. All the street art's there still, obviously, but a lot of the shops are still closed. And then we all would set sail for Chalone Bay and Rosario Islands. International waters. El Capitan.
Are we going fast enough?
4 miles an hour.
Full main, full jib.
There's a radio going.
Down there.
Got her done.
Well, we made it. This is what I miss.
We had about 4 boats headed down to the Rosario Islands. It was great to get back on the water. I had to leave, get back to Utah, but then another friend of mine, Randy, was coming down to help do the sail from Cartagena to Panama and through the canal. So once again, we had a few boat projects to get done, and then our plan was to leave at night so we could arrive in San Blas sometime in the afternoon. The plan was to leave around 7 or 9 p.m., but of course that never happens. With some last minute provisioning and of course the freak thunderstorm that rolled through, we actually didn't leave Cartagena until about 3 a.m. We set sail and woke up to this.
It is bucketing. What do you think, Sway?
I think it's raining cats and dogs now.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Look at the water ahead of us. How that
Want to tell me what's going on?
looks. Yeah, there's storms everywhere.
Surrounded by
Right
storms.
behind you.
9.
Over there. Basically this one. Little downpours over there.
And once we get far enough this way, we can cut back that way. Yeah. Ooh, almost 8 knots. Whoa, they're huge. Hold on tight. There's like 20 of them.
Yeah, there's like a whole crew. Holy moly. Wow. Cute.
Here. No, don't stand there. Here, hold this. Get them on video. Don't drop the GoPro.
Look at all these dolphins.
Look at them.
I think they're trying to show off. Yes,
Oh my God! Look, they're coming over there. Look at.
they're like showing off.
Oh, that's awesome! This one just jumped right in front of us.
This is so cool. Oh, this is so cool. I wish I could pet them.
I know.
Look at them, they're jumping huge.
Whoa. Oh, and there's some way out there.
Look at them, they're coming to us though. They're like coming over to our boat.
Heck yeah, we're gonna headed right back.
Oh, look at what
Yeah, there's like 20 of them up here.
21, 22, 23, 24. Put me in the front of the boat?
Right? I think they heard like, hey, I thought you were going swimming, Sway.
Can I go in?
No, honey, because we're going so fast.
It was pretty awesome. These dolphins actually stayed with us for almost an hour. It was cool to see them just swimming on the bow of the boat, flipping and jumping and doing whatever dolphins do.
Woohoo! Fish on!
First fish, huh?
There's Randy, the expert. Haven't caught anything in all this time. There's one out there. We were sitting here talking.
We were talking about fishing boats.
Talking about fishing boats. Bing!
Is it?
Oh yeah.
We're all telling you what to do because we can't wait. We're so excited. We don't.
We've never done this before.
But do this. Here he is, right here.
Should I grab the line or no? No. He'll come.
That might be a tuna.
You got it.
Yes.
Yes! It's a shark.
No,
It looks like
tuna.
it's a tuna.
Oh, we gotta have sushi, baby.
Yes!
Oh yeah! It's yellowfin tuna. Yeah, gaff him. Like poke it in him.
Or stick him.
Underneath and lift up.
Yeah. I don't think you have to get the gill. Just get him.
Yeah, poke
Just
it
get
in him.
Yeah.
Get it in the boat! Get it in the boat! Holy shit!
Chad, don't you dare.
Oh my god, he is heavy.
Drop him. We need it.
He's slippery.
Hell, that's a beautiful fish.
I know.
Here.
This was awesome. This was actually the first fish we caught on the boat. We made good use of him. He tasted amazing. He fed us for almost 4 days.
So this is where we are. We sailed about 230 miles from Cartagena to San Blas, Panama. The islands are right over there.
Very beautiful.
It was a fairly easy sail, except for at night it was cloud cover, so it was pitch black and we couldn't really see any thunderstorms.
But, oh, that was a pretty good sail. We got some wind. Last little bit of our trip.
I do? Yeah.
We had wind blowing up to 20 knots.
So far, being back on the boat is awesome. Join us next week when we almost catch a shark, but we keep reeling them in. We also get to San Blas and spend a little time on a deserted island. See you next time.